Let's talk brakes. How long yours last depends on where, what, and how you drive. City traffic, steep grades, towing, hauling, and aggressive driving can all shorten the life of your brakes. Here are 6 signs that yours need immediate attention. 1. Strange sounds. 2. Vibration in your steering wheel. 3. A mushy or pulsating brake pedal. 4. Pulling to one side when braking. 5. A hot, burning smell.
Blech.
And 6. Your brake warning light. The key is servicing your brakes before these issues arise. A good trick is to have them checked every time your tires are rotated, or about every 10,000 to 13,000 kilometers. This can do more than help you stop safely. It can also help you avoid a more costly repair. Here's why. Most vehicles have disc brakes that work kind of like the brakes on a 10-speed bike. Calipers, with brake pads, clamp down on a disc called a rotor to stop your vehicle. The brake pads wear out over time. Wait too long to replace these inexpensive pads, and you may end up damaging your more expensive calipers and rotors. So come on, pay attention to your brakes. It'll help you be safer on the road and keep more cash in your wallet. Bring your vehicle to the Mopar brake experts at your local Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat dealer. We'll check your calipers, your pads, and your rotors. We're factory trained and use factory engineered Mopar parts. Mopar. We built it. We know it.